Hello guys, welcome back. This is Dr. PVR Karamacharlu working as a chemistry faculty in Amrita Junior College, Pendurthi, Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to discuss chapter carbon and its compounds. So carbon plays a key role in our daily life in petrol, diesel, etc., proteins, vitamins and etc. So in this chapter we are going to cover 1 mark, 2 mark and 8 mark questions. So firstly, write any one use of carbon compound. Carbon compound are used as fuels. And write any one industrial application of hydrogenation. It is used in the production of saturated vegetable ghee from unsaturated vegetable oils. Saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons are saturated means the carbon form single bond, that is called alkanes are saturated, and unsaturated are alkenes and alkynes. We will go on in the further questions. Write any one use of ethanol and alcohol. Alcohol is a functional group in carbon compound. It is used as good solvent in medicines and tonics. Write any one use of ethanoic acid or acetic acid. It is also called as vinegar. So it is used as vinegar in preparing pickles, and it is used in the preparation of aspirin. Aspirin is nothing but acetyl salicylic acid. Write any one use of detergent. Detergent to make shampoos and products for cleaning clothes. Write any one use of methane. It is used in as a fuel, biogas and CNG and a compressed natural gas. Write any one use of vinegar. Acetic acid is one of the main constituents of vinegar. It is used as a preservative in pickles. And write any one use of saponification. It is used in the preparation of soap. So to coming up to 2 marks questions, which of the following hydrocarbons undergo addition reaction? Hydrocarbons are nothing but carbon and hydrogen containing compounds. From the given C2H6, C3H8, C3H6, C2H2 and CH4, based on the general formula CnH2n plus 2 is alkanes, CnH2n alkenes and CnH2n minus 2 alkynes. From the given set, alkenes and alkynes undergo addition reactions as it have pi bonds. Next, identify the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Based on the general formula CnH2n plus 2, right? CH4, C2H6, C3H8, those come under alkanes. C3H6, CnH2n alkene, and C2H2, CnH2n minus 2 alkyne. So general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. First two alkanes are CH4 and C2H6. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n. First two alkenes are C2H4 and C3H6. General formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. First two alkynes are C2H2 and C3H4. So collect the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons in the following. So saturated are nothing but alkanes, C2H6, C3H8 and CH4. Unsaturated are C3H6, C2H2, C4H6 and C5H10. Those are alkenes and alkynes. A hydrocarbon is a combination of 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens, means C4H10. The formula is C4H10. So it belongs to CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane. So its name is butane. So coming to that of next question, complete the following table. So we have given hydrocarbon methane, its formula is CH4, and in the next table we have got C2H6, its name is ethane, and propane, its formula is C3H8, and the C4H10 is butane. So another table given the class of compounds and formula of functional group. After hydrocarbons we have functional groups of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Alcohol have general functional group OH, aldehyde CHO, ketone C double bond O and carboxylic acid COOH. So next question is CH4 and C2H6 differ by CH2 unit. C2H6 and C3H5 differ by CH2 unit. What is the difference between the next pair? And write the pair. So the difference, CH2 is nothing but a homologous series. In the alkanes, this is homologous series. Next series is C3H8 and C4H10. These are also differ by CH2 unit. The next question is, write the next homolog of each of the following: C2H4, C4H6. C2H4 next homolog is C3H6, that is C2H2n, CnH2n, and the C4H6 next homolog is C5H8, that is alkyne. Write the name and formula of second number of homologous series having general formula CnH2n. So CnH2n is nothing but alkenes. So first member is C2H4 and second member is C3H6. So So 8 marks questions are explain the cleansing action of soap or explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap. Explain the following homologous series substitution reaction. How can ethanol and ethanoic acid be differentiated on the basis of their physical and chemical properties? How would you distinguish experimentally alcohol and carboxylic acid? Explain two chemical properties of carbon compounds. Write any two differences between soap and detergent. These are the 8 marks questions coming from this chapter. So, thank you. Best wishes from Amrita Junior College faculty and management.